Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
If you've ever wanted to connect Notion with other apps, build a new workflow, or simply experiment with automation, you'll need your API key, also called the internal integration secret. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step through finding your Notion API key so you can start unleashing Notion's power beyond its native features. By the end, you'll have your API key ready to use, and you'll understand exactly where it comes from and how to get it again in the future. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to open your browser and head over to developers.notion.com. This is Notion's official developer site, the hub for all things integrations and automations. Think of it as the backstage door to your Notion workspace. From here, you can create, manage, and troubleshoot the connections that make Notion so versatile. Once you're at developers.notion.com, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. You might be tempted by all the documentation and features you see at the top, but what we're looking for is near the bottom, under My Integrations. Imagine My Integrations as your personal projects list, everything you've built or started, all in one spot. Go ahead and click on My Integrations. Here's where you'll create a new integration. Click the New Integration button. This initiates the process for setting up a unique connection, kind of like giving a name to a robot you're about to build. Now, you'll see a prompt to add an integration name. I recommend giving your integration a descriptive name, something that will make sense to you later, especially if you eventually create multiple integrations. For example, if you're connecting Notion to Zapier, call it Zapier Connection. Or if it's for a project dashboard, something like Project Dashboard Automation. This name helps you remember what the integration is for, which is super helpful when troubleshooting or organizing multiple automations. After the name, you'll need to associate your integration with a workspace. If you're part of multiple Notion workspaces, maybe one for work and one for personal, it's important that you choose the workspace where you intend to use this API key. Just select it from the list. If you're unsure, you can always double-check later. But know that integrations only have access to the workspace you set up here. With all that filled in, click Save. Sometimes it might take a few seconds as Notion sets everything up for you, so if it stalls for a moment, don't worry. That's fully normal. After saving, Notion gives you the ability to configure your integration settings. This step is where you'll find the magic, your internal integration secret. It's essentially your API key. Think of it like a special password that lets other apps talk to Notion on your behalf. Look for the field labeled Internal Integration Secret. Next to it, there's usually a Show button. Click Show, and your secret will appear. Don't be alarmed by how it looks. It's just a string of letters and numbers. Now, simply copy that value. You can use your browser's copy command or click the little copy icon if it's there. And that's it. You now have your Notion API key ready to plug into your favorite automation tool or custom app. Just remember to keep the key confidential. Anyone with access could potentially make changes in your workspace, so treat it like you would your password. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit like. And if you have any questions about integrations or Notion in general, drop a comment below. I love helping you get the most out of your workspace, so subscribe for more easy, actionable tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.